Prime Minister breaks ground for newest St. Anne Hotel, fets reggae industry players, and
if you are in farming, we want to associate you with profit. You must profit from your enterprise and your industry and your effort and the sweat that you put in.
You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Vanessa Silvera. For most of last week, the Prime Minister was in Western Jamaica on government business. On Thursday, he opened the 4th Energy and Climate Partnership of the Americas Ministerial Meeting in Montego Bay, St. James. At the 2-day conference, he urged participants to adapt to local, regional and global changes in the way resources are utilized. Speaking specifically to the energy sector, Mr. Holness said sustained action was needed to achieve a resilient and high quality of life for citizens.
Meeting the resiliency challenge requires a mindset that expects and even embrace disruption. In this way, we are therefore better able to convert risks into opportunities.
On Friday, the Prime Minister hopped over to Landover, St. Anne to break ground for a $1 billion multi-resort development. Dubbed Sugarcane Bay, Jamaica, the 226-acre property will add 4,700 new hotel rooms to the sector.
You can be certain that whatever you invest here will not be at the mercy of whimsical tax policy or other forms of regulations that could deplete or ruin your business. That is not the case in Jamaica. When you invest, your investment is safe and certain.
Charisma Hotels and Resorts will be carrying out the project, which is expected to create 10,000 new permanent jobs while bringing 375,000 visitors to our shores annually. Earlier in the week, on Ash Wednesday, the Prime Minister was in Trelawney for the 65th Hague Agricultural and Industrial Show. He urged farmers to take a more business-driven approach to the sector. He encouraged the farmers to address the impacts of climate change on the sector and integrate technology into their processes. Mr. Holness reasoned that increasing linkages with other sectors such as tourism and industry would modernize the agricultural landscape.
Agriculture is literally the base of our economy. And if agriculture doesn't grow, you can be very certain that you will not have strong growth or any growth at all in the economy.
Prime Minister Holness also urged farmers and investors to take advantage of former sugarcane lands, which are now ripe for planting alternative crops.
One more time. And everybody say yeah.
That was the Prime Minister closing out Reggae Month in February with a reception at Jamaica House. And on February 24, the Prime Minister participated in a floral tribute in honor of national hero Sir Alexander Bustamante. The day marked the 136th anniversary of Sir Alexander's birth. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.